こんにちは。あすか先生です。今日はバレンタインデーです。Today is Valentine's Day. Do you celebrate this day? In Japan, yes, we do, but a little bit different way. So I'm talking about what is happening in Japanese Valentine's Day in this episode. So we call Valentine's Day as Valentine Day. Valentine Day. And as you can see, we use katakana. And then this day, Japanese girls give chocolate to boys, okay? So we, maybe in your culture, you exchange presents or boys give big flower bouquet to girls. That kind of things happen. But in Japan, this day is for girls. And then they give to the boys chocolate, right? And then so girls give chocolate to boys. 女の子が男の子にチョコレートを渡します。女の子が男の子にチョコレートを渡します。渡します means hand as a verb, hand something, give something to somebody in hand. And many girls tend to make chocolate, cookies or cakes or chocolate itself by themselves. Handmade chocolate is called 手作りチョコ。手作りチョコ。Yes, as you can see, チョコレート shortened as choco. Yeah. So chocolate is a proper word, but we in a daily conversation, we say choco. Okay. 手作りチョコ。今年は手作りチョコを渡したいです。今年は手作りチョコを渡したいです。This sentence means I want to hand in my homemade chocolate this year. 手作りチョコを作りますか? Do you make 手作りチョコ? And in our Japanese culture, female workers give some chocolate to their colleagues. Chocolate for your male colleagues or classmates. This is called Girichoko. Girichoko. Giri means like a kind of to kindness, to say thank you, appreciation, but not romantic one. Okay, this chocolate is not for boyfriend girlfriend things. It's just for you to show you your appreciation to your male colleagues. Okay. 会社の人に義理チョコを配りました。会社の人に義理チョコを配りました。So it means 配ります is like distribute or give out. So I gave out the chocolate to my colleagues. And nowadays, girls want to celebrate themselves. So Tomocho, chocolate for your female friends are called Tomocho. Tomocho. This kanji character means friend. So friendship chocolate. Tomocho. And as you can see, girls exchange chocolates together and then enjoy themselves. 友達と友チョコを送り合いました。友達と友チョコを送り合いました。My friends and I gave friendship chocolates to each other. 送ります means, give something. A bit polite expression or a bit special expression to give something nice. But 送り合います means, give each other, like a kind of exchange, give something each other. So like this picture, if, female friends give chocolate each other and then, have a bit of chocolate party. 送り合いました。And also a bit Japanese unique culture is White Day. So March 14th, 3月14日はホワイトデーです。What is White Day? White Day is a day boys give something nice to girls in return. So girls give chocolate to boys on Valentine's Day, and then boys, as a return, give something nice to girls. ホワイトデー、ホワイトデー。And then maybe you can say ホワイトデーにお返しをしました。ホワイトデーにお返しをしました。I gave something in return on White Day. お返し means something return. Yeah. So お返しをしました。I gave something in return. I hope you enjoyed. So what is happening in Japanese Valentine's Day? Our Valentine's Day is a bit different from here or in your country or in your culture, but we celebrate our own Japanese way. I hope you enjoy it and then know Japanese custom and then Japanese vocabulary a little bit related to this day. If you love this tutorial, please give me thumbs up and then heart mark. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching and listening. See you soon. さようなら。